Hey quiz lovers, today we are playing choose one button, yes or no or maybe addition. If you are ready, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and let's play. Question number 1. Do you want to meet this person? Oh, it's Mr. Beast. Question number 2. Do you want to travel across America in this car? It's Lamborghini, my favorite. Would you try this trip? It's chocolate milkshake. Moving on. Do you want to buy this for $200? Oh no, it's just a tree house. Do you remove this app from your phone? It's YouTube app. Would you bring this to your home? All this called. Would you do this easy task? Subscribe if you choose yes button. Would you like to spend a week here? It's forest. Would you eat this ice cream? Oh no, it's dropped ice cream. Would you accept this gift? Do you want to have this bear? Would you want to give this to your best friend? All your savings. Do you want to own this ability? Time travel. Would you choose this instead of $100? Oh, it's called iPhone. Would you fill your swimming pool with this? Slime. Would you eat this delicious dish? It's homemade pizza. Would you want to take it home? A cat. Do you want to open this box? Oh no, it's horror box. Would you like to visit this place? It's a cloud castle. Would you share this with your brother? Oh no, your toothbrush. Would you eat a slice of this cake? It's rainbow cake. Would you accept this gift? Would you like to experience this? It's bungee jumping. It's KFC. Would you like to have this gift? Oh, it's an Apple laptop. Would you like to board this ship? Would you eat this onion? It's onion rings. Would you trade your phone for this? Oh, it's an airplane. Cleaning your room. Would you swim here? A frozen lake. Would you spend a year here? Oh, it's jail. Would you live in this house? A tiny luxury house. Do you like to drink this before eating? Oh, it's lemon juice. Do you want to eat this burger? Snow dusted burger. Would you talk to this person? Steve Harvey. Would you do this attraction? This roller coaster, dangerous. Would you like to experience this? It's horse riding. Would you like this to happen to you? Travel around the world for free. Would you like to play this sport? It's skydiving. Do you want to watch this movie? It's Frozen, my favorite. Would you like to eat this? It's hamburger. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel IQS Quiz and see you in the next video.